Hello and welcome to eLearning Campus. Welcome back to Scratch Programming. Children, in previous classes we have already learned about motion block, pen block and looks block. In today's class we'll learn about sound block. So sound block is very interesting block. Whenever you want to include sound to your Scratch programming, you can use it. There are several ways to include sound. You can include sound from the library. Either you can include sound from your device, and you can also record your own voice and give your own voice to your characters. Now here you can see the third block in this block menu. First is motion, looks, and the third one is sound. You can see it's in the purple color blocks, or we can say a kind of pinkish color blocks are there. So these are the sound blocks, and most of the blocks are stack block only. We can attach one after another. Okay, now here I have taken one sprite and I have changed the backdrop here. Now you can see whenever I'll include this sound, play sound, so see bird is already mentioned there, and when we click here and we can see squawk and bird, two sounds are already included there. So whenever you include a sprite from your sprite library, few sounds will already be there. Like if you will include cat, like this sprite I'll show you. So for cat, meow sound is here. Okay, let's hear the sound. So this is meow sound. And in parrot I have included this parrot. So one bird sound, this bird sound, and the other one is quack. See, two sounds are there which is already included with this parrot too. Now if you want to include more sound to your sprite, you can go to this sounds tab. Okay, here you can see on the top scripts, costumes and sounds tab. Click on the sounds tab, and here you can see the two voice that we can see there in the play sound. These are available here, squawk and the bird. Whenever you click on any of the sound here, you can see this window, and just below this window we have three options. One is to play the sound, the second one, and third, the circular button that you can see here. If you want to record any sound, after this sound you can click on the circular button, you can start the recording, and with the square button you can stop the recording, and with this you can play and hear the sound like this. So these two sounds are already included. Now here you can see just above this first sound we can see three icons are there. Okay, so whenever you want to include new sound, you can use these three icons. The first, the speaker kind of icon, means whenever you want to include sound from the sound library, you can use it. Second option is mic, means we can not only include sound from the library, but we can record our own voice also. And the third option, whenever you want to include sound from your system, if you have any audio file in your system, you can click here and you can include that audio file with the help of this upload sound from file. So let's see the sound library first. This is the sound library, children. You can see so many sounds are already available. So whenever you want to hear the sound, just click on this play and see sound is coming. Now here you can see categories are there. They have categorized the sound here. Now I am going to this animal sound, and let me click this which one, duck sound. Okay, so now or the cricket sound is also there. Okay, so let me take this cricket sound and I am clicking it. Now see, at the moment when I click here, the cricket sound is it came here. Now again, if you want, you can play like this. Okay, now the second option we have is to record our own audio. Okay, so whenever you want to record your audio and you want to give your own voice to your scripts, you can click here. See, the moment I have clicked here, I can say recording 1. So here in the recording 1, at the top you can change its name. I am giving a name hello sound, so that I can identify which sound is this. So I am putting here hello sound. Now I am going to record the sound by clicking on the circular button and the square button to stop the recording. Okay, so let's start. Hello, how are you? Now I have stopped the recording. how are you? So this is how we can record our own audio here, and here you can see it's saved in the name of hello sound. Now come back to scripts. Here you can see in play sound initially we can see only two sounds, quack and bird. Now see cricket that I have included from the sound library and hello sound that I have included that I have recorded just now. So play the sound. Hello, how are you? Okay, so this is the sound and this is how we can include it, and this is the square. Okay, now here we have two play sound options. First play sound and the other one is play sound until done. So there is a certain difference between these two blocks. At initial stage when we play it, it will look same. See? Hello, how are you? Okay, let me change the sound. So at initial stage they are looking similar, right? But let's use this sound with some other sound and see the difference. I am putting that hello block to this parrot. Okay, now see the difference, children. Here I am clicking on play sound. So at the moment when you can see the sound, the squawk sound, at the same time we can see hello dialog box also. Okay, now see the change here in the play sound until done. So first we can hear the sound and the sound will complete, then only we can see the hello dialog box. Okay, let me include a bigger sound, hello sound, so that we can identify the difference. See, hello sound. Hello, how are you? So sound is also coming and at the same time we can see the dialog box. And play sound until done. Hello, how are you? So here you can see first it will complete the sound and then only it will execute the next block. So at any point of time you want in your project that sound will also come and at the same time it will start the next block also. It will start executing the next block. Then you can use play sound. And if you want that no, first the sound will complete and then only it will execute the rest of the blocks. So you can use play sound until done. Now stop all sound means if you have included any sound in forever block means from starting you included any sound and you want it to play until someone click on stop. So you can and if you at any point of time you want to stop that sound, you can click stop all sounds. Now here we have play drum. Okay, let's remove this block and see play drum. So play drum sound we can use whenever we want to create any music in our project. Okay, so I don't have much knowledge about music, so what I am doing, I am just duplicating the same blocks and putting one after another so that I can show you how we can create a music even if we don't have any knowledge about music. So I am not doing anything, I am just changing the number here. So you know that whenever we can see a small triangle next to any option, that means there are a list, a drop down list will come when we click on here. When we click on this triangle, then we can choose any option from the list given here. Now I have just put the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so now hear the sound. Okay, so here we can see music, automatically music is coming, right? Now I am including control block and repeating the same thing 5 times. Now hear the sound. Okay, so here you can see even if you don't have any knowledge about music, you can create sound like this. Okay, next we have set instrument to. So at any point of time you want if you want to set the instrument, you can click here. So set instrument, like I am putting here electric piano number 2, and here the next we have, if you want you can change the volume. Okay, at any point of time you can change it repeatedly, and set the volume option is also available here. So whenever you want to set the volume, you can attach it after another block. We have volume option also. Report block is there, so whenever you want that volume will be visible on the screen, so you can put it here only. So I have set the volume initially, and then I am using change volume by, and let me use repeat block, and here after each and repetition it will change the volume, it will decrease the volume, because here you can see change volume by -10 means after each and every repetition it will decrease the volume. Okay, so let me make it to 5, -5. So -5 to change the volume. Now we have changed tempo. At any point of time you can change tempo also. So tempo means the speed of your sound. Okay, so whenever you want you can increase or decrease the speed of your sound also. Now here we have rest for 0.25 beats. At any point of time you want that your sound will play, but it will rest for few minutes or for few beats. So it will stop for that particular beats, and then only it will start playing the sound again. So this is rest for 0.25 beats. Play note, which type of note you want to play, so you can use it here. And change tempo, I already told you, whenever you want to increase or decrease the repetition of the sound, you can use this change tempo. Okay, I am putting it here. Now let's try to. Okay, so this is how, if you have knowledge about the notes, so you can change the notes from here, play notes like this, and you can change the note and it will play. You can attach these blocks one after another and it will start playing. Okay, so this is how we can use these blocks. So I have included change tempo, so that's why it is increasing again and again, it is decreasing the volume also. So this is all about sound block, children. At any point of time you want to show your volume or tempo, so you can use these two report blocks here. And see, I have clicked on these blocks, so you can see volume is there and tempo is also here. I'm removing this change tempo, and you can hear the sound. So this is how we can use this sound block, children. So you can include sound from the library, you can record your own voice, and you can also include sound from your device. So this is all about sound block, children. If you have any doubt, any problem in this topic or in any other topic related to Scratch, you can put your doubts in the comment box. I'll answer your doubts. And if you want to watch more videos related to Scratch, I'll attach the playlist here. I'll attach the playlist of Microsoft Word playlist and the Microsoft PowerPoint playlist, and so many other topics I have covered earlier. So you can watch all the videos if you feel. And if you like my video, please click on like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for further updates. Thank you. Have a nice day.